What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I finally did it, guys. I pulled the trigger on the mummies. Yes, sir. So we still gonna do a full unboxing, in-depth review like we do at Sneaker Notes over here, even though the sneaker's been out a while. This is just one of those grails I've been just like not chasing because I could have been pulled the trigger, but I've been watching. I've been trying to see, are they gonna creep up to the 600s before I get the chance to do it? But they stayed in the bottom 5, low 4s. I got this for a steal. 420.
Got it.
So I kind of had to do it, guys. I purchased it off GOAT, and I love the sneaker, man. The glow, the simple canvas color, the detail, the sneaker's too dope. So it comes in your purple SB box, and this is the box we've been getting lately. I showed y'all this box with the Bart Simpson joints here that we still haven't got a release date on yet.
Aww.
But they still dope. Same box as the mummies. And to me, far as height with both sneakers, I can see why some people like the Simpsons better, but these mummy joints are dope. This is the first time I'm actually gonna give y'all a review of a sneaker that I und'd before I even showed y'all the review. I went to Miami last week. That's why y'all guys didn't get a video in like a couple of days. I was in Miami and I und'd these bad boys. Let me know what y'all think. Did I nail that? Was that outfit dope? In the tag it reads coconut milk and seafoam. So I decided to throw in a seafoam essential sweats with it to match the lime green shoestrings. I threw on the Supreme Rick Rubin tee. And getting a hat short notice was like, it was hard to do. So I just got a hat with some lime green in it just to kind of, you know, give it that hint of the shoelaces. But yeah, man, let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about that. And let's get into a in-depth review of the sneaker. So the first thing I really want to talk about with this sneaker is the inside. I'm trying to get you guys to see. Y'all see that little lace strap there? Looks like a bungee cord. If I remember right, this is my first time owning an SB where the tongue has kind of its own pull situation. And when I first brought the sneaker and it came in, that was the first thing that came to mind, guys, was this little shoe strap here, right here. So that's dope for its comfort and feel, to be honest. Another thing is the inside. The inside is super dope, guys. Looks like grass. It's just a crazy look in there. The back has the Horus eyes there. And the only reason I know that's a Horus eyes is because it's a hookah lounge I frequent called Horus 2. And they have tons of that logo inside the lounge. The Nike SB logo on the tongue, super dope. Looks like dripping goo off the swoosh. That's not talked about a lot. Everyone goes to, boom, the mummy eyes. And that's definitely an eye catcher. Very dope. Has the piece hanging off here. You know, looks like a mummy because a mummy tissue ain't all right. Some of it is hanging off. So that's super dope. My gripe is not really a gripe. I wish they did that a little more through the canvas. Like maybe here. Made it hang off a little more too. But I like that settled look in the back. As I told y'all, I put the green shoelaces in, but it comes with regular shoelaces, the same color as the sneaker. Matter of fact, let me fact check that.
A few moments later.
I can't find them laces, guys. I'm sorry about that. But if I remember right, when they came, they had the coconut, same color as the canvas shoe colorway laces. These were wrapped around them. That's why I really don't do shoelace swaps, guys, because I'm careless with shoelaces. I got a bucket full of Jordan 1 shoelaces. I don't know which Jordan 1 it goes to. But back to the shoe. The shoe is all canvas in a mummy wrap look, which is super dope, man. I didn't really have to worry about scuffs because you can't scuff this kind of cloth. You do have to worry about liquids, but that's where the Crep Protect and the things of that nature come in. The gray swoosh and the new buck technology is dope, man. It brings a different look to this sneaker. As I told y'all, these shoelaces I swapped in makes the sneaker pop. And the sneaker glows with no effort. Whenever you in a little dull, dark place, it's gonna glow. Watch this. Effortlessly, guys. Effortlessly. Just a little hit of the black light, and the whole sneaker's gonna glow, guys. As I told y'all, the mummy eyes is what's so dope. And you see when they're glowing. I have 4 lights on, and you still see the glow. Let me hit it with the black light so you can see the glow at its finest. Too dope, guys. Too dope. So that was the right side. This is the left side. As you can see the glowing beetle there. Very dope. And I know it's a beetle because I seen the movie The Mummy a couple of times when I was younger. And beetles always are something that you say when you talk about mummies and things of that nature. The left side also has the Horus logo on the back. The same dripping Nike swoosh. The only thing different is that beetle there. Yeah, guys, so in the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these mummy joints. I know they're a Halloween sneaker, but this way that they designed this sneaker, you don't have to wear it around Halloween. As of the Halloween dunks that I showed y'all a review, maybe about whenever they came out, I'll put the review up there. Those may only get around Halloween because they're centered on the orange and the black of Halloween. Which these here, they're just a canvas grayish coconut milk seafoam mixture sneaker that I think could get away with all time of year. Also in the comment section below, let me know what some of y'all grails y'all been chasing. I'm still after 2 or 3. The Union Jordan 1s might have fell off my grail list because I just waited too long. And to pay $2,400 now for a 3-year-old sneaker, I don't know if that's something I want to do because you know I'm going to rock my sneakers. They're not trophies here. In 3-4 years old, it's kind of hard to tell, man. So I said you got to try to get on your grails early, unless you just were out of the mix when that sneaker dropped. So I got my hands on this grail. I would love to know some of y'all new grails that y'all picked up, man. But just a quick video of the mummy joints, because I didn't get this to y'all, and I wanted to get it to y'all like only I can get it to y'all. I got a whole bunch of videos coming up, but I'm back. So we back, guys. Everybody, get rich.